Hey everybody, we're back again. This time we got a two-part video because there came with 30, but they're snacks from Japan. Should be interesting. What do you think? They're gonna be good, right? They gotta be good. All right. So first, we're gonna start off. There's a couple of them that you need to mix with water. This one is like it turns into what looks like beer. It's not beer. There's no alcohol. It says it on the in the packet, but it's just a fun little drink that you can make. So open it up. Nope.
Where is that one?
Yeah.
We got two.
The other one's for the ice cream.
Oh.
So we mix this.
Oh, jeez.
With this.
Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Ugh. It looks like lemonade, actually.
Yeah, I don't know what to think of this.
It looks like bug, like. Ugh. I don't know. I might miss out on one of the sweet treats.
Yeah, see how it's like foaming up at the top.
Yeah, you try first.
Let me try first.
Scary. That's scary. Is it stinky?
Tastes all right. It doesn't tell you like terrible, but it doesn't taste like good. You know what I mean?
I need. I don't trust it. It smells like lemonade.
Try it.
It's weird.
Yeah, it is kind of weird, isn't it?
It tastes like. Oh, at the end it tastes like soap. Disgusting. No.
All right. So the next one we're doing, you also mix with water. Looks like this.
Yeah, water.
And you mix it in the container that it comes in, and it should look like you put it on an ice cream cone when you mixed it.
Yep.
So we'll see how that goes. I gotta get the book out again for this one. I don't remember how much to.
What he said.
It's called Naricho Soft Mini DIY Candy Soft Serve Ice Cream.
Wow.
All right. So add 2 spoonfuls of water using the provided spoon and mix well. Okay.
Okie dokie. You shall listen. It's a tough.
The ice cream cones are so tiny.
Oh, they're just so cute. Once
right.
you eat them, they're gonna be turned into monsters.
So just
totally
3 of these little spoonfuls? That's crazy. Get a little water here. I don't know how this is supposed to work.
Oh, I thought it. Do you have to put it in there? Oh, you have to put it in there. That's gonna be not a lot.
Yeah.
No.
So it said three spoonfuls. Follow the instructions.
I don't think that's how it works.
Oh, it smells weird.
It smells good, but weird.
Right?
It like you can smell like sugar. It's weird. Fishy, not fish, but fishy. That's not going to turn into anything.
You don't think so? It's already puffing up.
Oh hell, man. I guess it is turning into ice cream.
I don't know what that smells like.
Yuck. Looks like puke. They should at least add like flavoring.
I think it is supposed to be already flavored.
If it's already flavored, then that's just crazy. I don't know who's gonna.
So
Oh,
you get your little ice cream
uh,
cone. There you go. Let me make me one up.
no. Are we gonna dink it and sink it?
Of course. I'm just putting the whole thing in my mouth. All right, dink it and sink it.
That's actually good.
That's pretty decent. Well, there goes the ice cream cone. All right, so that was it for that. We're guessing these are pop rocks. They've got to be pop rocks, right?
Oh, the end taste.
Kind of weird, huh? Kind of like tarty.
No, not. It's like soap tart.
Yeah.
I can't tell. Is that Pop Rocks?
Yeah, looks like it. Yep.
They're
Except it's got like little other candies in it too.
I just. Oh, I thought I was just gonna.
Hold your hand flat.
I can't tell if that is Pop Rocks.
I think it is. Ready? Set. Go. Yep. Pop rocks. That's pop rocks.
I say it like that. It Pop Rocks. It is Pop Rocks. Oh, it popped up. It popped up. Right.
That was pretty good.
We're still popping.
Okay. This looks like a cookie. Melon Pandoro. Nope. We're going to wing it. We don't read the book. Guess what it is by what we're looking at, right?
It looks like an animal cracker.
All right.
A candy. It's chewy.
Yeah. All right. So this is this one. Melon Pandoro. And it is. It's like a.
We're gonna split it in half.
Like a panda
I
cookie.
need to split it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh wait. I can't tell if that's lemon flavor or not.
Mmm.
You tried it?
Yeah. That's good.
That's good. It's like a sugar cookie.
I like that.
I still had one more Pop Rock in my mouth and I didn't realize it popped in my throat.
This is like an orange gummy.
Taffy. Looks like a taffy.
Feels like a gummy.
Okay.
That's 100% a gummy.
How are you gonna split that in half?
Like this.
Become Goku.
Right.
Ew, it's sticky.
Or
And oh jeez, that's chewy.
it's very chewy. Not a ton of flavor.
I could just want orange.
This has got to be what like the older people in Japan have in their candy dish.
It's too chewy.
Yeah. Not a big fan. Not a fan.
I liked it.
You liked it?
Well, you can try that,
This?
this, or that. One of these two.
Let's try the sour ones.
Alright.
These ones, not sure. Again, everything's in Japanese, but they look sour. The little round people are crying, so it's got to be sour.
I'm gonna cry.
What if it's super, super sour?
I can't. I can't. I'm not gonna eat this. It's gonna.
That's what they look like. Really dull looking. All right, we'll dink
They
and
don't
sink.
look too sad. They don't look too sour.
Dink and sink this one. Dink it.
They're good. Not sour at all. Oh, it's like a yogurt.
It's gum. We should have saved this one for last. I didn't know it was gum.
I want to save it.
I
want
know,
to save it.
It's actually good. Here, let's put it on the Pandora.
Best gum actually ever. I can't.
Here, just set yours on this side. That was delicious.
I don't want to leave it
That
though.
looks like another cookie.
You want to try this?
Yeah, let's try that. This is like,
Pop.
they're like little, tiny little balls in a bottle. I don't know.
The thing I'm not so big of a fan is that.
This is one I think we're going to have to check in on the book.
Why?
Because I have no clue how you're supposed to, if you're supposed to just dump it in your mouth.
Go, go.
Bottle of powdered sherbet-like ramune that melts in your mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
The flavors are strawberry, cider, and lemon. I think we got cider.
I want cider. I don't want
So I'll just dump a little in my mouth and
you dump some in your mouth and I dump some in mine. I'm gonna do it like how you did it. Just like.
pretty good.
I think
It's just like little balls of sugar.
it doesn't melt. Alright.
There's not even like real like definitive flavor to it.
I regret saying that it doesn't melt.
It does. Yeah. Okay.
It has an interesting, good
Let me
taste.
try the caramel corn next.
Yeah.
That's easier. The only English on it just says caramel corn, but they look like shrimp.
Sushi.
They look like shrimp, little shrimps.
Oh yeah. I meant to say shrimp. I just said sushi. Sushi. That's what I used to call sushi. Sushi. Like on accident.
I don't even. Yeah, they're like cheese puffs, but not cheese.
Yeah, no, that doesn't. It's just my smile. It's not food.
Are you ready? Mmm. Oh, that tastes like a cereal.
Yeah, it tastes like that one cereal. Honeycombs?
Yeah, honeycombs.
Honeycombs, and at the end it has a Cheeto flavor.
Wow, I like
Just
that. I like that a lot. I need a big bag of those.
We're gonna start buying those.
Hmm?
We're gonna start buying it.
We gotta buy it from Japan.
It definitely tastes like honeycombs. I think we should try that last because it looks like
These are color changing. Mystery.
Let's try it.
So we'll guess what color is underneath the purple on each of ours.
Red.
Well, I'm gonna go with yellow for mine.
Tisk.
So you gotta. It's a crime thing. You gotta solve the crime by guessing what color is underneath your purple. They're all purple in there.
How do you know if it's Japanese?
The writing. It's all in Japanese. All right, ready?
How do you know it? How do you know what it is? Or how do you know what flavor it is?
I don't even know if it has a flavor.
Like what color?
I don't even think it's sugar flavored.
Did I get down to the color?
Mm-mm.
You must have to suck it long.
This video is gonna be forever for you. We're good.
I'm good, but I don't know.
Oh, mine's pink. Yours looks white.
I guess you have to suck on it. Okay, moving on.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure yours is white. Take out your mouth again. Yeah, yours is white.
It's good. I don't want to.
Well, they only put 2 colors on the back of the wrapper. I didn't know what all colors we had to pick from. Ooh, let's try this.
I don't want to spit it out. It's too good.
Cheezac.
Mm-hmm.
Cheezac.
There. Oh, mine was lemon.
Yeah?
It's kind of yellow.
Okay, this looks interesting.
What is that sound? Did you hear it? Looks like fish. Now I'm about done with the fish.
Think it and sink it. Looks like a flat cheese puff. That's all it is. It's a flattened out cheese puff.
In my opinion, it tastes like milk a little bit.
Well, cheese is a dairy product. Maybe that's why.
I mean, do you taste like it? Do you think
I taste cheese.
It tastes like cheese and
only Jerry. These feel like rice cakes or something. You want to try these little things?
I would be okay with living off of Japanese snacks, to be honest.
I don't think they hit quite as hard as ours.
What do you mean? They're good.
What are these?
Only thing I like from like America is like the Skittles, maybe some other stuff. Wait, what are we doing next? I didn't even see.
These little.
What?
I can't find them in the book.
Let me see.
Oh, right here. A pack of melt in your mouth for immune candies and one of 5 different fruity flavors: strawberry, lemon, grape, orange, and melon. I think these are melon.
You can
melon.
Best flavor ever. I'm checking on my gum just to see if any flies. I hate flies. That's the annoyingest things.
Yeah, they are.
As flies are bugging us right now. You get it? Bugging.
Bugging. No. All right.
Not funny at all.
Sink it and sink it. Oh wow, those melt fast.
Okay, they're okay.
It's got really good melon flavor.
If it melts too fast, it tastes a little weird.
It's magic.
Not magic.
Let's do these next. What feels like? I don't know what that feels like. These, not a lick of English on them, just none. So.
Wait, let me feel it. Feel like nothing, just flatness.
Feels like something that was formed a lot, like.
Maybe they're like animal.
Okay, I gotta figure out what this one is.
Yeah, definitely.
Mangetsu Pan.
What?
Mangetsu Pan. Osaka's specialty Mangetsu Pan Full Moon Puff is a sweet and spicy soy sauce flavored rice cracker with a traditional flavor and crispy and delicious texture.
Nah, I don't. What are you doing? You're just not soy sauce flavored.
Right, sink it and sink it.
Ew. Who likes that?
Me? That's good.
Let me try it. Let me try it one more time. I barely had it in my mouth, but I just tried it.
Kind of hard though.
Not
a fan?
No, not at all.
I think we've gotten past all the candy. I think we're just on. What are these?
What are what? What are what? What are what? What are what?
So these next ones, we're gonna look up and see what it is.
remember a specialty. You remember it? Specialty?
Huh?
The specialty, like that.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get it. I can't find this one anywhere in here. It's not in here.
Oh, I see.
Right there.
Yep.
Kaiofumi, translating to flavor of Kyoto. These uniquely Japanese stacks have been around for over 200 years. Created with high quality millet and rice, okashi are an Osaka specialty known as a luck-bringing sweet.
Not true at all.
Yuzu, ginger, brown sugar, and peanut flavor. Not sure which one we got. We're gonna find out.
I don't want to try it.
They bring good luck.
Not true at all. No, no way it's true. Nope.
Well, we're not gonna mock the good people of Japan. All right. Sink it and sink it. We're good. Not a ton of flavor to them, but I ain't mad at it.
Tastes like cheese, like. Tastes like cheese.
Let's try this one next, because this says Choco Cream, and it actually has some English on it. Choco Cream Wafers.
Let's eat it. At first I thought it was like. It was like those one things that we did in the Mexican video. That's what they were like, the lines. Like when I felt it was like a line. Like
Oh,
yeah.
the squinkles.
Yeah, the disgustings.
Those are delicious.
Those are disgusting.
The other pack I took to work, and everybody that tried it loved it.
No. No. Not true at all.
Ooh, the chocolate's like creamy.
Oh, that's.
And it did say it on the wrapper, but.
Is it like Nutella sticks?
What?
I think it's
Oh. Creamy. Choco stick. That's good. Not really good. I could eat those all day.
Like Japan Nutella sticks.
And I have a feeling these are more like rice cake type things.
No, I don't think so. They're like something from Minecraft. I don't know what they're called. Oh, jeez, a fly just tried going in my nose.
So, onigiri senbai,
Doesn't it?
a 2-pack of rice ball shaped senbai, fluffy rice cracker topped with crushed rock salt.
I wonder if that's what they use for like Girl Scouts. Not kidding. It looks like something that they would use for girls. Oh, wait. Oh,
Bless you. Dink it and sink it. Very hard. No. That is weird. I don't like that. You don't like that either? Why does it taste fishy? Like not in a good way.
At the end, it has a little bit of good taste. It reminds me of a taste.
Fish.
Not fish.
All right.
I don't know.
So this one didn't come in the box. It's just sea salt, seaweed.
I'd be the first one to try.
My manager
Totally.
gave it to us to try in a video, so we're gonna give it a shot. I've had seaweed before. I don't know if Benji has.
I think I've had that. Grandma, didn't you used to get that? Yep, I love this. This is what it looks like.
So dink it and
That was good.
mm-hmm.
That is good.
Yep.
You can definitely taste the sea salt.
Mm-hmm. The hint of ocean you're getting is from the seaweed.
Oh, what?
The seaweed.
What did you say at first?
That grows in the ocean.
I don't know. A seaweed. Seaweed.
So that's all the snacks for this video. We have 15 more we're going to do tomorrow. And hopefully they're all
Good.
better than these ones.
No. No.
Some of the more savory stuff wasn't that great. So, but remember to like, follow, subscribe,
Share.
share.
Don't remember.
Definitely share.
You gotta share.
And we appreciate you watching. Thanks.